Sige, tuloy natin yung mga naisip ko dito. Ayan, so sabi ko dito, any Pi users should have the ability to upload their videos, okay? And get monetized and rewarded with Pi coins. Ayan. So, di ba? Sa YouTube, paano ba sumasahod? Google AdSense. Kailangan mo munang init yung requirements. 4,000 watch hours, more than 1,000 subscribers. Kasi kayang-kayang tumbasan to ng ano ng Pi Network sa ano ko lang sa perception ko lang So ayun na nga. Yun na yung basic idea ko dun Pi users can upload their videos and get monetized and rewarded with Pi coins. Okay, so dapat dito sa Fireside may option tayo directly to upload videos. Okay, hindi na yung basta-basta link lang. Talagang directly upload sa Fireside forum. Okay, right now when someone likes a post, they can respond with fire or voluntarily give tokens as tip. Okay, nasabi ko na rin yan kanina. So ito, why PiTube makes sense. Okay, decentralized video platform. A YouTube alternative built on Pi Network could become the first large-scale Web3 video sharing platform where creators are rewarded directly in Pi coins. Kita niyo yan guys, kasi nandito na yung Pi wallet, nandito na yung Pi account. Halimbawa, fully KYC'd ka. Tapos, fully KYC'd na nga pala tayo guys kung pwede nyo i-check yung mga previous videos natin sa yung mga pinagdaanan natin bago ma-KYC. Pero ito, kita nyo yan, migrated to mainnet na tayo. And on top of this guys, i-mention ko na rin na isa rin pala tayong Pi validator, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only and not financial advice. I encourage everyone to always do their own research whenever engaging into the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Maraming salamat. I'll see you again sa next video natin.